Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change email address on Peacock TV. To change your email address on Peacock TV, first of all, open up your web browser of your preference. Now go to the URL box and type in peacocktv.com and search. Make sure that you are signed into your Peacock TV account, and once you are logged in, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top right hand corner. Now, click on Account at the top right under Who's Watching. Click the Settings button from the Account panel and then click on the Update Email button right next to your email address. An email will be sent to your email address below. Simply go ahead and open up a new tab and log into your email service provider. Open up the email inbox that is registered with your Peacock TV account. Now open up the email received from Peacock TV and click on Update Your Email. Now, inside Update Your Email, enter the new email address. Type in the new email address that you want to change to for your Peacock TV account and click on Update Email. You will now receive an email to the new email addresses inbox. Open up the email that you received from Peacock and then click on Verify Your Email. Now after verifying your new email address, you will be able to change your email for Peacock TV. Click on Go to Account and you have successfully changed your email address on Peacock TV. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.